disappear. You disappear. Damn, dude, look at the fucking Civic, yo. She looking nice. And what the fuck? What's going on, guys? It's your boy. It's just a 1.6 on YouTube, and we're back with another video. I know it's been 6 months since our last fucking video. I know, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it. We got her tuned a little bit, not a little bit. We got her tuned, street tuning away last night. Stayed up till fucking midnight getting this thing tuned, just doing some pulls every once in a while with a buddy. And car is doing great. It makes 7 pounds right now, and it's just, he said it's probably about as fast as a B series right now. This is just on 7 pounds. Now it is a stock motor for those who are new to the channel and watching this first video, trying to get better at doing all this vlogging shit. I'm not really good at vlogging about the Civic, but yeah, anyway, we'll go ahead and pop the trunk because the engine's in the trunk, right? We'll go ahead and pop up the hood, and I'll show you guys what has been added, changed, and whatnot from last time. So we'll go ahead and do that. Damn, fucking Fort Knox, bro. Yep. So we are running, 190,000 miles on this bitch, and boosting her real good. But it's all right. I know it might go soon, especially it being stock. But it's all right. We'll go and pop the hood. Look at that. OEM. On the way, dude. Whose idea was it to plant a tree here? All right. So this is it. Looks like a fucking mess right now, but we're gonna clean it up. The wires here. Fucking mint. But I'm gonna wrap these in, I don't have an example lying around anywhere, but forget what they call it. It's some type of fucking thing. So we'll wrap that, make it look pretty. I was just trying to get everything, like I think I said in my last video, to work, and then after I would just tidy up everything. So probably wondering why these are twisted. The tuner that straight tuned it and is continuing to, and will be doing it, is he told me that this is to help reduce something or another, like to keep something down instead of like the interference down or whatever. And I think he said the same for the injectors, but we haven't done that yet. But yep, so this is what I added. It's fucking mint over here, just held on by some zip ties. Is an oil catch can. I got that on there, and as you probably saw, it's just being connected right here for now. Usually you put it like on two bungs right here and hook it up that way, and then down there as well. This is the hose that runs to that PCV system and goes all the way down into the in, and then the out is going to this. I don't know if it's hooked up right, but it's just right now catching oil. I don't even know if it caught any. I could probably check and see if it did from last night's run. Well, not showing up on there, but it is there. It's basically right now just to prevent all the fumes to go back into the intake, or yeah, to the intake, because it would go here. But as you can see, I got my fucking amazing skills there. Put a bolt through a hose and then clamp it. Perfect. Because normally, if I'm correct, yeah, this hose for the PCV would usually connect up to here. But yeah, anyway, so this is it. Stock, bone stock, same block, whatever. Nothing new, just bone stock, same rods, same pistons that it comes with, OEM. Not built yet. It will be when it blows probably. But only thing we've done is put the Y8 intake manifold on and the Y8 throttle body on. Finally got that on as well. So no more janky shit for the IAC valve. Our IAC valve is now the actual Y8 one. And it works good. It does work. And whatnot. So yeah, I don't know. I think that's pretty much all we added on from last video, is the throttle body and then the oil catch can that I had put on. And I think that was it. As you guys can see, I got some RC injectors for 40 cc's. They are doing pretty good for the setup. Don't need nothing too spectacular. And yeah, so instead of the eBay, it wasn't really eBay, I bought it off a website. I don't remember the website. That's how, yeah. I don't remember the website, but they sell these injectors too, but I didn't buy them from there. I bought these from Xenocron, and it came in. But yeah, so I got these RC injectors for 40 cc's. They are doing really good for the setup I have right now. And yeah, that's also what I upgraded. So that's that. I think. I don't remember if I talked about anything else, but I'll go ahead and show what everything's looking like right now. So I have this. I do plan later on to wrap this, especially right here with the wastegate pointing up right there, because it can put more heat right here, and I don't want to do that. So to try and prevent excessive heat, especially from here, we're gonna wrap this manifold in exhaust wrap. And then everything's pretty much straightforward. You're probably wondering why my fucking oil feed line's all retarded. I had to extend it because I had to turn the turbo around. So they got me like a 3-foot fucking wire that I could do to put on there. Like I said, I'm just trying to get stuff to work right now, and then I'll tidy things up and make it look pretty-ish. Still gotta take this off because I'm not gonna be running AC, as you guys can see. I would have been able to if this turbo was turned around, because as you guys can see down there, I did have to notch the block for it to fit. But then I couldn't get the downpipe to work over here with the intercooler. So I turned it around, got this downpipe from Amazon. It fucking worked perfect. It does hang down a little bit, down to the ground a little bit more. So you guys can probably see from down here. It hangs down pretty good. And don't mind that. But that's for my mission. But yeah, so I gotta get that fixed to be able to lower the car. It's still on stock suspension and whatnot, so that's probably, you know, yeah. My plan is I want to fucking lower this bitch, but my driveway is so fucking retarded because like it's literally like a fucking 45-degree angle to get up. It's retarded. Someday I'll show you probably, but yeah. So all this stuff, literally, this is all eBay, fucking Amazon shit, and it's making boost. I freaking love this Civic. It looks like shit right now because of this fucking trees and shit, but it is what it is for now. I do have to soften this blow-off valve though, because right now it's a little too hard. But it has to go a little bit softer because every time I'm doing low RPM shifts, I can hear the turbo flutter, and I don't want that to do that, especially it being eBay, trying to make things last a little bit longer than what it would. So yeah, we're gonna be softening up this a little bit and then going out for a little test drive for the low RPMs, seeing what the IAT sensor is reading and whatnot. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see what we can do. If you guys do like this video, please make sure to share this, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll try and get some more videos out there of me driving it and whatnot, so I can show you guys the sounds it makes and how cool it sounds. But yeah. Oh, and we are running the stock radiator. We don't really need to upgrade this yet because for the power that this thing is going to be making, it's not necessary. So keeping that. how it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'll keep you guys updated for the next time. But peace out. Looks like it's about to rain too, so getting some raindrops on me. But that's it for today, and I'll try and get some more videos out there of me driving it. That way y'all can hear it and see how it sounds and what it does. But yep. Peace out, guys. Hey, you should watch that video over there on the left and hit the subscribe button on the right. Did you do it? Hello?